In this video, I will show you how to create folders and subfolders in Outlook to move and organize emails systematically. So let's get started with the video. In Outlook, you can create folders and move emails of the folder based on specific subject or from a specific person for easy access and quick reference in the future. To create a folder, first, you need to right-click on the account name. Next, select Create New Folder tab from these options. And next, in this field, you need to type in the new folder name. It's always better to name the folders relatable to the topic. I want to move all emails relating to website in this folder. And now, I will move this email on website design to the new folder. To do that, I need to right-click on the email here and next select Move to Folder. There is no website folder here. So we need to type in the new folder to search for the folder we created in the field. And done, the email has been moved to the new folder named Website. You can also create a subfolder for the main folder. Here, to create a subfolder, you will need to select a folder. And next, you need to right-click on the folder. And select Create New Subfolder. And again, give the subfolder an appropriate name. I will name it Webmail so that I can move all emails related to webmail in the subfolder under the main website folder. And here it is the subfolder. Next, to move email to the subfolder, right-click on the email. And next, from the list of options in the menu, select Move. If you don't find the subfolder created, type in Search for the subfolder. And select the subfolder. The email related to webmail has been moved to the subfolder. And done creating folder and subfolder and moving emails into them for quick and easy access. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.